Good day everyone, welcome to our video. This is me from Let's Start and this is my partner Christine.
Hello.
Today we are going to introduce a new product we have released recently, a new smart jet pump called Jet L series. And let's close the video and see the general overview of these pumps. For this pump, we have adopted a new design of the pump body, the motor casing, the fan cover, and the control box. All systems are in new design, which means you can only find this item in our desktop factory. Besides that, we also have some other parts like the small water tank at the top of the pump, and the sensor and the connector, something like that. And we also adopted a very advanced color, the black and green color, which is also very attractive to the clients. I believe that most of you are curious more about what is the difference for this pump and this traditional automatic pump. Both are automatic water system, but in terms of the size of the pump, you will find that this small pump is very small in the size, while this one, because it has a big water tank, the whole size becomes very larger, which means the take will not be very easy and it is very heavier. So that is the advantage for such a small pump. And in the next step, we will show you more difference between these two pumps during the operation.
Now let's show how to use this pump. The first is press this power button and the pump is start to operate. For the first use, it's necessary to fill the pump body with water to ensure that it's filled with water. You can see that water output is very large and stable.
But compared with the traditional automatic water system, it doesn't have any smart system. So that is the advantage of our smart jet pumps with the smart control system.
This pump also has 3 horsepower, 0.5, 0.75 and 1 horsepower. This pump is 1 horsepower. The maximum head can reach about 50 meters high and the maximum flow can reach about 63 liters per minute. This pump is intelligent and energy saving. Also has other highlights such as water shortage protection and overload protection. It can protect the motor and extend the serve life of the pump. And it also has smart open and close. When the tap closes, the pump will automatically close.
But the time, it needs some time to turn off the pump to sense the water flow inside.
Yes, because the pump body also have some water, so it needs some time to close this pump.
Yeah.
And if you have any other questions, you can refer our menu or contact us.
I believe that most of you are curious about what is inside of this pump. So we have invited our engineer to help us to disassemble this pump, show you the inside parts. And now our engineer has disassembled all the parts of the pumps, and you can see the general overview of our parts. Here is the pump body of the pump, the connector, the flow sensor, and the pressure sensor, the brass impeller, the fan cover, the stator, and the motor casing. And the stator is 100% copper wire. And the rotor with the motor front cover and the fan.
And these two are control box, electrical board, capacitor, 1.2 liters pressure tank, diffuser, and injector. These two are made of plastic.
And now we have introduced the most parts of our smart pumps. And that is all about this small smart pump. So if you have more information you want to know, just contact us at any time.
See you next time.
See you.
Bye.